Welcome. If you're looking to update your Telegram channel's name and keep your community fresh and relevant, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change your channel name on Telegram. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, head over to the channel where you want to make the change. You can find your channels in the chat list. Just tap on the one you want to update. Now, look at the very top of your channel's chat screen and tap on the channel name. This will open your channel's profile page, where you can see all the details and settings for your channel. Next, spot the edit icon. It usually looks like a little pencil at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to enter the editing mode for your channel. You'll see the channel name field right at the top. Tap on this field, erase the old name, and type in the new name you want for your channel. Take a moment to double-check your spelling and make sure the new name reflects your channel's purpose or theme. Once you're happy with the new name, look for the Save option. This could be a checkmark or a Save button, depending on your device. Tap it to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your Telegram channel now has a brand new name. All your subscribers will see the updated name immediately, and you can continue building your community with a fresh identity. Changing your channel name is a great way to keep your content relevant and appealing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a quick update for their Telegram channels. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.